Namaste children. Hi. Let us discuss 6th lesson in 7th class social studies is Africa. Today in this video we would like to discuss crops and plantations of Nigeria. Crops and plantations of Nigeria. Let me show Nigeria on the map. Let me show the Nigeria on the map. The Nigeria is bounded by Benin, Niger, Chad, Cameroon. Nigeria country is bounded by Benin, Niger, Chad, Cameroon. To south of the Nigeria, we can see Atlantic Ocean. To the south of the Nigeria, we can see Atlantic Ocean. The present capital of Nigeria is Abuja. The present capital of Nigeria is Abuja. Once upon a time, the capital of Nigeria is Laos. Once upon a time, the capital of Nigeria is Laos. In 2003, the capital of Nigeria called Laos changed to Abuja. In 2003, the capital of Nigeria called Laos changed to Abuja. At present, the capital of Nigeria is Abuja. Nigeria is famous for agricultural products like cocoa, rubber and palm fruit. This cocoa, rubber plant, palm fruit richly grown in southern Nigeria. Children, as we all fond of eating chocolates, these chocolates made up of cocoa by powdering the cocoa seed. As all we know, cycle tire, rickshaw tire, lorry tire, bus tires made up of rubber. This rubber is extracted. This rubber is made up of milk extracted from rubber plant. And oil is extracted from palm fruit. These three crops largely grown in southern Nigeria. In those days, people used to reach the forest by boats, by crossing Niger River and collect cocoa, rubber plant and palm fruits. When the demand for cocoa, rubber plant, palm fruit increased, Nigerians converted forest land into cocoa plantation, rubber plantation, palm plantation, and thus they exported to foreign countries and earned a profit. This attracted the Britishers. This admired the Britishers. So only British occupied Nigeria. Why British occupied Nigeria? Why British occupied the Nigeria country? For the purpose of raw materials like cocoa, rubber, palm. For the purpose of raw material like cocoa, rubber, palm, British occupied Nigeria. In the beginning, British occupied the coastal areas of Nigeria in the year 1861. In the beginning, British occupied the coastal areas of Nigeria in the year 1861. Later, British occupied the whole country called Nigeria. Children, shall I ask you one question now? In what way commercial agriculture like cocoa, rubber, palm began in Africa by Britain? In what way commercial agriculture like cocoa, rubber, palm began in Africa by Britain? When British occupied Nigerian country, British collected the cocoa, rubber, palm fruit from the forest of southern Nigeria, exported to the country and earned huge profit. When British occupied Nigeria, in the beginning, the British collected cocoa, rubber, palm fruit from the forest of southern Nigeria and exported to his country, earned a profit. But British was not satisfied by getting the quantity of products collected from the forest. The British was not satisfied by getting the quantity of products that was collected from the forest. British want to produce more and more production, export to foreign country and earn huge profit. So British converted forest land into cocoa plantation, rubber plantation, palm plantation by cutting down the trees. This plantation made easy for the Britishers. It was no longer difficult to go inside the forest and locate the trees. It was very easy to look after the trees as the trees are located in one place. Thus harvesting made easier. Thus harvesting became easier. And these British enslaved the Nigerians. These British enslaved the Nigerians and made the Nigerians to work in cocoa plantation, rubber plantation, palm plantation for long hours in cultivating cocoa, rubber and palm. In addition to that, British set up an industry near cocoa plantation to separate seed from cocoa. British set up an industries near rubber plantation to extract the milk from rubber tree to make rubber. British set up an industry near palm plantation to extract oil from palm fruit. Thus, the production of cocoa, rubber, palm fruit increased. Export to foreign countries and earn huge profit by Britain. Thus, the production of cocoa, rubber, palm fruit increased, and thus British exported to foreign countries and earn huge profit. Okay, so in this way, commercial agriculture like cocoa, rubber, palm began in Africa by Britain. In this way, commercial agriculture like cocoa, rubber, palm began in Africa by Britain. My next question is, why Nigerians did a movement against Britain? Why Nigerians did a movement against Britain? Why Nigerians did a movement against British country? Why? These British enslaved the Nigerians and made the Nigerians to work in cocoa plantation, rubber plantation, palm plantation for long period, for long hours to cultivate cocoa, rubber and palm. These British treated Nigerians as slaves. British treated Nigerians inhumanly, cruelly, badly. British didn't provide proper food for the Nigerians. British didn't provide living quarters for Nigerians to sleep. As Nigerians didn't get proper food to eat, as Nigerians didn't get living quarters to sleep, they become weak and tiredness and they suffer from illness. With that illness, with that tiredness, with that weakness, Nigerians used to work in cocoa plantation, rubber plantation, palm fruit plantation slowly. When the British saw the Nigerian slaves are working in cocoa plantation, rubber plantation, palm fruit plantation slowly, British harassed the Nigerians, tortured the Nigerians, beaten the Nigerians. These Nigerians bore the torture and harassment of British year over years. One day, these Nigerians lose their patience as they couldn't tolerate the torture and harassment of the British and did a movement against British. At last, Nigerians got independence in the year 1960. Nigerians got independence in the year 1960. Nigeria became a republic country in the year 1963. Nigerians became a republic country in the year 1963. When Nigeria got independence, 1960. When Nigeria got independence, 1960. When Nigeria became republic country, 1963. After Nigeria got independence in the year 1960, plantations, trade in plantations gradually came under the control of Nigerians and got benefit from them. Along with Nigeria, many African countries got independence from European powers in 1960s. New nations came up with own government. Of course, Europeans settled still in African countries. Of course, Europeans settled still in African countries. But slowly, African people acquired, means God. African people acquired or got control over land, forests, mines, and agriculture products and got benefit from them. Slowly, African people God control our land, forest, mines, agriculture products, and God benefit from them. Children, so far we discussed about the lesson called Nigeria, okay, crops and plantation of Nigeria. Children, so far we discussed the topic called crops and plantations of Nigeria. I hope you understand this topic, children. Before seeing this video, first read the topic from the textbook. Then you see this video, you would understand very much better. If you have any doubt, we'll clarify your doubts in the Zoom session very clearly, children. Thank you for watching my videos, children. We'll meet you next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.